Hello student, in this class I will discuss with you something about the inclusive series and exclusive series and how to find out the mean of the inclusive series. So let us see what is the meaning of the inclusive and exclusive series. Inclusive interval, if I will write here, that is more fine I think. So there are two types of the intervals. We have inclusive interval and exclusive intervals. See now student, I am just taking the example so that you can understand easily the difference between these two. If there are some intervals given, if the intervals are given like suppose here it is 10 to 20 and here it is 20 to 30, here it is 30 to 40 and here it is 40 to 50, and there is frequency given like 1, 2, 3, 4. See student, in this kind of the series and the intervals, this is called exclusive intervals because here the upper limit we have used in the second interval as a lower limit. Here the upper limit is 30 and this 30 is the lower limit in the next interval. So there is a connectivity between the intervals. This connectivity, here the meaning is what? 20, we are taking the values like 10 to 20, but 20 is not included here. That we are including in the next interval. So like this is the example of, we can say, exclusive series. Here if you will see the another example, like suppose the intervals are given in this form. It may be given like it may be suppose 10 to 20 and 21 to 30 and 31 to 40 and 41 to 50, and maybe the frequency is given 1, 2, 3, 4. So this kind of the intervals are called inclusive intervals because you can see here now there is a discontinuity in the interval. Intervals are not continuous. Here it is end up at 20 and it begins from 21. So if this kind of the intervals are given, we cannot find out the mean of this type of the table unless we do not convert them into exclusive series. So we will have to convert them into exclusive. How you will convert? Let us see. The formula that you will have to use is, you will find, so I hope you understood what is the difference between these two. I am telling you how to convert a inclusive series into exclusive series. Let us see. I am taking this example here. I am writing this topic as how to convert inclusive series into exclusive. So let us see, I am taking this example again. I have taken this interval, these are the intervals given, let it be like 10 to 20, it is 21 to 30, it is 31 to 40 and it is 41 to 50. And suppose the frequency is given, it is 1, it is 2, this is 1 and 3. See now, until unless we do not convert this into exclusive, we cannot find out the mean further. So how to convert into exclusive? So you will have to do what? This upper limit of the first interval and lower limit of the next interval, you will have to see. Like you will have to see, here it is upper limit of, we can say, first interval, it is 20, and we can say lower limit of second interval, it is 21. So student, the formula we are deriving from here, you find out this You find out this like lower limit of second interval minus like upper limit of first interval and divide by 2. So you will find like this, it is 21 minus 20 upon 2, 1 upon 2 means 0.5. So this 0.5 is the average we had find out, we can say, not average, it is the means difference we had find out. So that difference basically what you will have to do, you will have to subtract from the lower limit and you will have to add in the upper limit. This difference of 0.5, difference of 0.5 का आपने क्या करना है, you will have to subtract this from this each lower limit and you will have to add this in the each upper limit. So you will write, you will make a new column for this. I am writing this here. See, I can write this here now. New intervals I am framing. New intervals I can write. So it will be now, if you will subtract 0.5 from this, it is 9.5 and this will be 20.5. From this if you will subtract 0.5, it will be 20.5. This will be 30.5. This will be now 30.5 and this will be 40.5. Then again it is 40.5 and this will be 50.5. So in this way you can see now the series converted into exclusive series, and now we can find out the mean of this series using any method of calculating the mean, like shortcut, assume mean or step deviation. So first of all, take care of this thing. If the series is given inclusive, convert that into exclusive series. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Then share with your friends and subscribe my channel.